Hello everyone, Akash here and I welcome you all to YouTube Dev channel. And friends, before proceeding, I want to tell you one thing. Like from now onwards in this series, we are going to have two videos and one will be dedicated to resources, that is our study material that we are provided from HackerRank, and another video we will be solving the problem. Okay, so in this video I will be solving the problem for our day 4. Basically it has been started from like day 0, day 1, day 2, day 3. So this is basically our day 4. Okay, so we will be solving problem in this series, and don't forget to watch another video in which I have told about the resources. Okay, so guys, do watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe. So okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we have this following task in which we have to, okay, we have to get second largest. We have to complete this get second largest function. Okay, and we have been provided with an array and we have to return the second largest number from this array. So let's see how we can do this. Okay, so let's have max 1, okay, as 0, and let's run a loop. Okay, not this one, like for. Okay, so friend, I will be making use of for of loop. Okay, let's see. Let I of this nums, okay, this nums array, and what I'm going to do, if my I is greater than max, okay, max 1, then we are going to make max 1 as I. Okay, cool. Now we can get the maximum element. Okay, first maximum. Now to get the maximum second largest, okay, what we can do, let's run another loop for let I of nums, and if, okay, and if our I is greater than this max, okay, and at the same time if if it is less than like if it is less than max 1, okay, so what we can do is make max 2 second largest as this I. Okay, and what we can do, we can simply return this second largest. Okay, cool. What we have done, we have simply compared, like if our element is greater than this max and at the same time if it is less than the first maximum. Okay, so we will get the second largest like this. So let's see, let's try running the code. Okay, so cool, we passed this sample test case, like second largest is 5, okay, and first largest is 6. Okay, so are all the test cases we have passed successfully. Okay, we have also earned 15 points, so cool. Now let's solve another problem for the same day. It is try, catch, and finally. Okay, so friends, what we have to do, we have to complete the reverse string function, and we have to reverse a string using split, reverse, and join method. Okay, let me tell you, it is one of the like important question from interview point of view. Okay, and if an exception is thrown, we have to catch it and we have to print that exception message, and we have to print as the string on the new line. Okay, if no exception was thrown, then this should be reverse string, and in case if the exception is thrown, then this should be the original string. Okay, cool. Okay, so friends, let's see how we can do this. Okay, over here. Okay, so we have this string over here. So now let's see how we can convert it into an array. Okay, so with the help of this split array, okay, and we can use this s dot split. This is how we can convert our string into an array. Now let's reverse our array. Okay, reverse array equal split array dot reverse. Okay, so friends, we have reverse. Okay, it's not showing over here, but we have this reverse method to reverse the array. Okay, cool. Now we have, what we have to do now, we have used split method, we have used reverse method, then now we have to convert. Now once we have reversed it, we have to convert this array into the string. Okay, so how we can do that, reverse string equals reverse array dot join with the help of join method. Okay, like this. Okay guys, cool. Now we can do is simply console dot log reverse string. Okay, so one thing that we are missing is that we have to use try and catch block. So we have to place this code within this try and catch block. Okay, like this. And we have to also make use of catch. Okay, so here is our exception, and if the exception is thrown, we have to console log its message, and we have to also console log the string. Okay, so I hope our code will run. Okay, so because as we have made use of all the three methods, like we have created the array from the string, we have reversed that array, and we have made the string from that array. Okay, and we have reversed it. Okay, so cool, let's try running it. Okay, so our sample test case ran successfully. Let's try submitting. Okay, so congrats friends, we have earned our third star. Okay, so let's continue coding, and guys, please do code along with me. Okay, so and do let me in the comment section if you have liked this series. Now let's solve this last question for today. Okay, it's last from my end actually. You can just go on solving more questions. Okay, okay. Okay, so friends, we have to complete is positive function, and we have to make use of this throw to throw an exception. Okay, like if a is 0, then we have to throw an exception and error. Okay, we have to throw an error with message 0 error. Okay, if it is negative, then we have to throw an error negative error. Okay, and if it is positive, then we have to simple return a string that is yes. Okay, so let's see. Okay, over here. Okay, so friends, if a is equal to 0, okay, so we have to, this is how we can throw an error with the help of throw keyword. Throw new error. Okay, and it is 0 error. Let's copy the message from here. Okay, cool. Else if a is less than 0, then in this case what we have to do is we have to throw another error, and the name of that error will be negative error. Okay, else we can do is we can simply return the string that is yes. Okay, so friends, this is it for this question. Let's see, let's try running it. Okay, cool. We passed our sample test cases, and guys, we have also submitted the code successfully. Okay, so our all the test cases we have passed. So friends, this is it for today. I hope you have liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned.
September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone.